Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by hyperbolic substitution. So I will put about s equals to shin t, because if I put this one gone here, we have 1 plus shin t square, we have cos t square, and later that we simplify the square root. Next, we can do about factorize. We can do first derivative for the both side, and we have the s equal to cos t dt. So I will put this one gone here and this one gone here. The s we change for this one. This one we have cos t square. The square root of cos t square, we have cos t. Now we have the formula in here. Shin t we can change by e to the power of t minus e to the power of negative t over number 2. Cos t we have e to the power of t plus e to the power of negative t over number 2. So for this one, I will put this one gone here and this one gone here and here. Now we need to simplify it, and we have e to the power of t. So I will put number 2 go outside. This one we have e to the power of t over 2024. Now this one multiplied by this one and this one, so we have like this. Now t and t we can do about factorization. Similar for this one. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of 8t over 8, and I will put about c. Now we have the final answer of this one. About t, that is about this one. So we can find the value of t equal to arcsine of s. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.